Namaste, everyone. Thank you for joining me in today's practice. This will be a 10-minute yoga for beginners. So I have a lot of playlists on 60 minutes, 75 minutes, even 90 minutes. And I know some of you prefer a shorter class. So here I have a 10-minute and I will add minutes to it. So let me know how you like this shorter class, and it's right to the point. So if you're liking this content, like, share, and subscribe. And we come into easy pose. Bring the right leg in front of the left. You can sit on a block or you can sit on a bolster. Bring the hands on top of the knee and allow your palms to open. Close the eyes and allow yourself to set an intention for your practice. And allow your shoulders to release now. Take a big breath in. Hands reach up. Exhale, release the left hand over to the left side and reach the right hand across. Allow your shoulders to release here. Push into the thumb and index finger. Inhale, bring yourself up to the center. Lengthen. Right hand alongside the right hip, fingertip all the hands, and allow yourself to release over to the left side. Relax the facial muscles and come back to center. Hands reach out, interlace the hand, open the palms to the sky, and allow your arms to reach high. You can start to lean back, but body is upright. And then press the palm forward. Allow yourself to round. Inhale, reach the hands up, shoulders away from the ears. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift. Release the hands and stretch and twist to the right side. Right hand behind you, left hand on the knee. Allow your shoulders to release. Neck is long, both hands are straight. Come back to center, hands reach up. Exhale, release over to the left side. Inhale, reach the hands all the way up. Exhale, release the hands. From here, bring yourself into tabletop. Hands underneath the shoulder, knee underneath the hip. Take the right leg back. Lengthen the spine. Relax the shoulder away from the ears. Push into the thumb and index finger. Stretch the calf and the hamstring. Release the right knee on the mat. Inhale the left leg back. Pull your belly in, rib cage in. Exhale the left leg down. Tuck the toes under. Lift on up into a floating table. Push the thumb and index finger on the mat. Back is flat. Exhale, press into your downward facing dog. Activate those hands, lengthen the spine. Push into your right heel and left heel. Maybe lift your toes. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax the shoulder. Push into those right heel, left heel. Then inhale, roll yourself forward into your plank. And allow your thumb and index finger to press into the mat. So when you're starting yoga, often at times we complain of wrist pain is because we haven't done it a lot of time. So practicing this would allow us to cultivate the strength in the core and allow ourselves to find our strength in the wrist. Lower your knee on the mat. Bring your chest and chin. Inhale, looking forward, And lift on up into Cobra. Legs are together. Push into the fingers and open through the chest. Exhale, press back into child's pose. Relax and pushing those hips back, lengthen the spine. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, bring yourself into tabletop. Tuck the toes under, press back into downward dog. Inhale, float the left leg up to the sky. I want you to flex the toes, that way the toes are pointing down, square the hip. Bring the left leg in between the hand, quietly. Bend the left leg, lower your right knee on the mat. Inhale, reach the hands all the way up. Keep the right leg tucked under. Breathe in and breathe out. Exhale, both hands to the mat. Frame the front foot and straighten the left leg. Pull your toes towards your face. Allowing your fingers to be on the mat. You can use a block and allowing your shoulders to draw away from the ears. Push into the left leg. And then lift the right knee off the mat. Right hand stays. Inhale, reach the left hand all the way to the sky. Push into the right hand, bend the left leg. Exhale the left hand to the mat. Bend the left leg. Inhale, reach the hands all the way up. Notice that right leg. Exhale, bring both hands to the mat. And bring the right leg to meet with the left. Inhale, look forward to lengthen. Exhale, fold. Relax the head. You can bend the knee here. Relax the shoulder. Inhale, look forward, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach the hands all the way up. Exhale, bring the hands in front of the heart. Inhale, reach the hands all the way up. Hinge from the hip, trace the midline and fold. Inhale, look forward to lengthen. Exhale, step the left leg back. Lower your left knee on the mat. Inhale, reach the hands all the way up. Just checking in with your breath. Lengthen the spine. Exhale, frame the front foot. Look forward to lengthen. Exhale, straighten your right leg. Bringing your right toes towards the face. Lengthen the spine. Feel the lower lumbar. You can start to fold towards the right foot. Again, be nice and kind to your body. Don't force any pose. You can sit towards the left heel if you can. There's no problem, no bend, no knee pain here if you're going for this half split. Bend the right leg. Tuck the left leg under. Push into the right big toe. Inhale, lift the left knee and rise up. High lunge, crescent lunge. Square the hip. Lengthen the spine. Exhale, both hands to the mat. Frame the front foot. Finding your breath. Exhale, send the left leg to meet with the right. Inhale, look forward to lengthen. Exhale, fold. Relax the head. You can bend the knee here. Inhale, reach the hands all the way up. Exhale, circle the hands in front of the heart. Notice your breath. Bend the knee, chair pose. Body is upright, legs are together. Heels down, look forward. Hands are straight to the sky, shoulders plug away from the ears. Exhale, forward fold. Send the left leg back. Anchor the left leg 45 degrees on the mat. Bend the knee, inhale, rise up. Warrior one. Push on the outer edge of that left leg, creating more space on the lower back. Exhale, the hands to the mat. Bring the left leg to meet with the right. Inhale, look forward, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Send the right leg back. Bend the left leg, inhale, rise up. Warrior one. While the outer edge of the right leg comes to the mat, take both hands all the way to the sky. Draw from the belly, shoulders come down. Breathe in and breathe out. Exhale the hands to the mat. So this time, send the left leg back, downward facing dog. Inhale, roll yourself forward into your plank. Find your breath. Lower your knees on the mat, chest and chin. Inhale, coming into your Cobra. Exhale, press back into tabletop. Tuck your toes under, downward facing dog. Find your breath. Bring the left leg in between the hand. This time the right leg is 60 degrees on the mat. Inhale, rise up, warrior two. Belly posing, rib caging. Look at the middle finger. Lengthen the spine. Right hand down. Peaceful warrior, reverse warrior. Notice your breath. Come back to warrior two. Exhale, cartwheel the hands to the mat. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, bring the right leg to meet with the left. Inhale, lengthen, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, send the left leg back. Anchor it 60 degrees on the mat. Inhale, rise up, warrior two. Checking in, relax the shoulder. Draw tailbone under. Belly pulls in, rib cage in. Your strong right leg is bent. Peaceful warrior, reverse warrior. Taking a moment here. Coming back to warrior two. Exhale, cartwheel the hands to the mat. And take the right leg back. Downward facing dog. Inhale, forward into your plank. Knee, chest, and chin. Inhale, coming into Cobra. Elbow slightly bent. Push your thighs into the mat. Exhale, press back. Child's pose. Big toes touching. Hands reach forward. Lengthen the spine. And start to release. Inhale, press yourself to tabletop and bring yourself to easy pose. This time, bring the left leg in front of the right. Sit nice and tall. Hands reach up. Bring the left elbow towards the right side and the right hand catches the elbow. Open the chest. So again, this is for beginners. It's open to all levels. It's a great way to warm up, to start your day. It's a great way to end your day. Switch side, right hand towards the left elbow, open the chest. Inhale, open those hands, rotating the shoulder, lifting up, especially if you suffer from shoulder pain. And then reverse. Just checking in with your breath, quieten your breath, and bring the hands out, rotate the wrists. When you're new to yoga, allow yourself to move. Hopefully this was easier than my regular classes. And when you have it, bring the hands in front of the heart. Bow towards your heart center, honoring yourself for coming to your mat. Thanking your body for moving mindfully. Gently open the eyes. Bring the hands on top of the knee. Thank you for joining me in today's session. If you like this content, like, share, and subscribe. I will see all of you soon in the next one. Thank you.